Hi, this is Rich from A1 Foundation Crack Repair. I'm here with Peter Marshall from Marshall Insurance, and we're going over a question that often comes up, or should come up, is how do I determine how much of a deductible I should have on my homeowner's insurance?
It's a great question, and I get asked it often. Back when I started in the industry in the mid 90s, some people had a $250 property deductible on their homeowners. We really don't see that anymore. Over time, it increases. The standard for years has been $500, but more and more, I'd say over the last 10 years or so, I'm having customers opt for $1,000. And we're almost getting to a point where that's more the standard deductible. And the reason is, and what I talk my customers through is, you need to look at the savings to go from a $500 to a $1,000 deductible. And I tell them, we need to look at the break-even point. If the savings on the premium to go with a higher deductible occurs within 2 to 3 years, you're probably going to want to go with the higher deductible, because odds are you won't have a claim in the first 2 to 3 years. And if you don't, after that, you're ahead of the game. Now, the premium savings, money in your pocket, has exceeded that $500 increase that you might have to pay if you have a claim. So that guaranteed savings on the premium versus something you might have to pay if you have a loss, it's definitely worth it in most cases to go with $1,000. Not always, and it's something to look at closely. Great question.
Thank you, Peter. And if you have any insurance issues, feel free to call Peter Marshall from Marshall Insurance.